Hey guys, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. So I know I look a little bit different in this video. So I just purchased this wig from Amazon. I think it's beautiful. So if you want to see how I put it together and my thoughts about it, stay tuned. Before you leave, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so from my look, you know, hair is normal, so I'm going to be doing a quick wig review with you guys. I purchased this wig from Amazon. It comes in this beautiful bag. The name of the company is called Nivea Queen's Choice. And let me just get the information. This is an ombre wig. So on Amazon, the description, it has 5 stars. I wanted to try it, and I saw, I think one person with it that said it looks pretty. And I normally don't get colored hair. I stick to black, but let me try something different today. It's called the Prettiest Curly Afro Short Wig with Bangs for Black Women. Okay, and it says it has daily use fiber, kinky curly wig. That's the description, ombre brown. And the curls are big. So that's how it's looking. I'm a little scared because I'm not used to these colors. It's in the net, and in the bag comes the, you know, the famous stocking cap and some hoop earrings and some stickers. I don't know what the sticker is for, but you know, hoop earrings. These are nice. So this is my first impression, so I'm going to try it on with you guys. Taking it out the net. Let me take off the tag on here. I guess the tag, it shows you the different styles. The different styles that you can do with it. I don't know if you guys could see that very good. Alrighty. And I don't see any combs. It has some adjustable straps in the back right here. So let me secure those for you guys. Before I try it, you would have to use some hairpins to secure it down, or if you want, you could sew some clips in it, you know, so you could feel a little bit better. We don't want any accidents, you know what I mean? Alrighty, so the clips are in. Oh, so the top looks like this. Let me just take off this little plastic thing. That's how the top looks, everything. You don't have to worry about leaving out your hair. So let's try it, guys. And we're gonna be using one of these stocking caps that they send us. As I stated, I didn't open up anything because I wanted to do everything with you guys. So this is going to be my first impression. I just have my hair in some twists. Let me just try to get it as flat as I can and put on my beige stocking cap. I hope it works out, guys. I hope it works out. Keep your fingers crossed for me because I have somewhere to go and I don't know what I would do to my hair. All right, check out this. All right, let's put her on. As I stated before, there are no combs. Let me see if it's a certain length. It doesn't say what length it is. Let me see. No. And I paid $26.95 for this. It comes in other colors, of course. Alrighty. Let's line her up. Put her on. Making sure it's even. Okay. not bad. This is how it's looking. Just alrighty. I could be someone's auntie, so I'm looking auntie-ish, but the color is kind of pretty. So let me just fluff it out a little bit with my nails. Oh, this is kind of cute. Ooh. Like I said, I don't normally wear colored hair because for some reason, I just don't think colored hair looks good on me. I think I look better in black hair. That's just my, you know, just my opinion. Oh, the curls are very nice. Okay, it's kind of cute. I may have to cut a little bit in the front. This is how the back is looking. Let me turn around for you guys. That's how the back is looking. And that's how it looks from the side. From the other side. I think it's pretty. What do you guys think? Leave me some comments. For those that have seen a few of my videos, you know my hair is normally dark. So, let me take off a little bit here in the front. Just a tad bit. I don't want to cut it straight across, so. Okay, and then when you cut it, it curls right back up. Oh, I kind of like it. Ooh-wee. I don't know if I'm gonna cut the, Ooh, she's cute. Okay. All right, let me cut a little bit. Let me cut a little bit more. I'm afraid to cut it because I don't want to mess it up. Let's cut this little piece right here that's hanging. Okay. What's her name? Is there a name? I'm looking on my Amazon. Yeah, I don't see a name for her. It's just ombre. She is really cute. Wow. Let's call her, what should I call her? I don't know. Maybe you guys could pick a name for her. Oh, it's really cute. Oh, maybe I should wear colors more often. Ooh, wee. I really like it. I mean, the color, the curls just bounce right back. I think on this side, I think I'm gonna take off a little bit. Just a little bit. And I'm kind of sharing it out as I cut it. Just a little bit on the end here. I think I like that better. Oh, and then it's popping with the orange that I'm wearing. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Let's see if I can wear it any other way. Can I move it to the side? I think the side makes it look a little bit more wiggy. Maybe like that. It's like the 1980s hair, kind of. I really think it's cute. All right, guys, so leave me some comments down in the description box. As I stated before, I want my brows to show. I got it from Amazon and it was $26.95. It has 5-star review, actually 4.5 stars. I'm going to leave the link for you guys down below just in case you're interested. You can get it in a different color. You don't have to worry about, your leave out or worrying about your hair. You just use your fingers and fluff her out. Let's call her Victoria. Victoria, I think, is gonna be her name. I mean, she's cute. Under 30 bucks. Hey. I mean, it's synthetic, but it's given like roller set here. I think I like her, but I don't think I like the length. I think I'm going to cut off a little bit back here. Yeah, I think I want it a little shorter. I really don't know what inch I would say this is. Maybe a 12? Maybe a 12 inch? I think it's popping on my skin. It's really bouncing off my, especially this orange color that I have on. Can you do it in the middle? Nah. In the middle, too wiggy. Alright guys. Alright, let me make sure that I cut the back as well. And remember, I can't see back here, so I hope I'm not messing her up. Yeah, I think it looks better a little shorter in the back. I never thought I would wear this color here. I guess because it has the brown. Okay. Okay, Victoria. Tell me what you guys think. Leave me some comment down in the comment section. But I'm feeling kind of cute. Let me do a little 360 again. That's the back. It's very bouncy. Ooh. I like this. Let me zoom in a little bit, guys. Just in. She's cute. Okay guys, so that's my quick little review on this here. I hope you enjoyed. I will leave the link down in the description box just in case you're interested and would like to purchase one. Let me know what you guys think, okay? Let me know what you think. Do you think it's a yay or nay? Yay or nay? Let me know. But I think she's beautiful. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this quick review of this kinky, curly, kind of roller set hair that I purchased from Amazon. Very inexpensive, $26.95 as I stated before. So I hope you enjoy it. Leave me some comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Do you think this color looks good on me or not? Let me know, okay? So I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself and each other. Again, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell so you'll know when I upload my next video. Take care. Bye guys.